Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this nice little flip ponytail, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so let's get started. First thing first, I am going to part my hair on the side straight back. And I'm not going to part it all the way back. Then I'm going to part it along the middle, like down to my ear, kind of like creating a square box. And this area is going to be for my swoop. And once I have created that, little square box section, I'm going to pin it away and begin to put my hair up into a ponytail. And to put my hair up in a ponytail, I am going to be using the Eco styling gel. I don't know why I didn't show you guys as I was doing it, but whatever. But yeah, to put my hair up in the ponytail, I am going to be using the Eco styling gel. So right now, I'm just going to quickly put it up into a ponytail so that I can begin to create my swoop. Okay guys, so to create my little swoop or my, bangs or side, bangs or whatever you want to call it, I first need to flat iron my hair to kind of get it nice and sleek because my hair is a little poofy right now. And once I'm done flat ironing it, then I'm gonna begin to create my swoop. Okay guys, so I'm beginning to create my swoop, and I did need to use a little, pins to help me and guide me to create my swoop. And in order to keep my swoop to stay, I am going to use some Got To Be freeze spray, and I am going to blow dry it in, into play because I'm unable to use the Eco styling gel, because if I used it on this part, my hair is just going to curl up and freeze up really quickly. So I had to use the freeze spray to keep it nice and neat. Hey guys, please do me a favor and go over to Instagram and make sure that you follow me at mskeedybaby. Okay guys, so now I am finishing up with my swoop, and once I'm done that, the extra hair that's left out, I'm pretty much just going to get a scrunchie and put all of it into the ponytail. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much is going to be it on this section. Okay guys, so now that everything is done, I'm going to take the extra hair that's in the ponytail and I'm going to braid it. And once I am done braiding it, I am going to wrap it around just to kind of hide it once I add the extra hair into my head. Hey guys, please support your girl by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video you guys will definitely know. Okay guys, so to create this style, I am going to be using one bundle of, I believe it was the 12-inch hair. You guys, I don't know what company this hair is from. I just had this hair in my stash and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to create this style. So please do not ask me where did I get this hair from, because I am not 100% sure where it came from, because again, I just got it out of my little hair stash that I have stashed away. But yeah, you guys, so we just going to take that hair and wrap it around the ponytail, and as we get towards the end, we're going to wrap some of the hair around the ponytail to hide away the tracks. And in order to secure it, I am using bobby pins to secure it. I believe I only use like 2 bobby pins, one in the beginning and one in the end. And as you see, you guys, I am wrapping the extra hair around the ponytail so that I can hide the tracks. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you thumbs it up. Okay guys, now that I'm done wrapping the hair around the ponytail, I am just going to cut a little bit of the hair to kind of get it even a little bit, even though it wasn't 100% even. But you know, I just try to cut like the dead ends off it. And yeah, once I'm done that, you guys, I am going to take my flat iron with the Got To Be Free Spray, and I'm going to begin to flip the hair. Now you guys, this style reminds me of the back in the day, the 90s hairstyle. I used to rock a flip ponytail so much, and I'm kind of upset that I don't have any pictures to show you guys because I lost all my pictures in Hurricane Katrina. But I do love this style because it is like a 90s back in the day style. Okay guys, so right now I am finishing up with flipping my hair, and once I am done, I am completely done with this look. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. And also you guys, if you like this video, make sure that you thumbs it up and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this look. Peace.